Whoa, that was loud.
It's Brittany.
Welcome to the office tour, baby.
Time to get to work.
Let's have a look. Thanks, Hyundai. There's been a few developments here at CarSauce Group, because obviously we have TechSauce, meet Willie. We have TechSauce, which is our tech review channel. We haven't given that much love, but we are giving it more love now because we have a proper big boy office.
We're finally office boys.
And we're going to show you our office tour. This has been literally months in the making. It has been, to be totally honest with you, tens of thousands of dollars of investment, but I think it's absolutely worth it, particularly as we keep expanding out CarSauce. You guys love our videos. You love buying cars from us, so thank you very much. And this is the fruits of our labor. So first of all, our door.
I love our door.
CarSauce and TechSauce, super duper proud of that. You'll see this as well. No public access, invite only. Please do respect our team's privacy. We would love to meet all of you at some point in an appropriate place. Workplace, probably not so much, because we are starting to get employees too, and we need to respect their privacy as well, on top of our own. This was a bitch to install. Had to do that myself.
Looks pretty cool.
It does look pretty cool, and yes, it works. We have biometrics. Please don't test our security, because I'm sure there are vulnerabilities. Check out the inside though. We have our logos here. You'll see that from
the old neon signs.
The old neon signs from the old set back at my home, back when it was a home. And now it's just a home, no longer an office for me as well. With the little bench in here, Daddy Jacob, come on in. Come on in.
Wow, look at this.
So you'll spot there's someone there, but we're not gonna mention who that is yet. Put your finger down, okay?
Get back to work.
Yeah, get back to work. This is a really cool layout, I think. It's a couple of levels.
Look at all this floor space. So much aerobics in here. So many activities.
So up here, we call this the Boss's Play Fight Den. That's its name.
Do you mean the wolf den?
This is where happens. This is where business happens and where you save a lot of money on cars, because obviously we have CarSauce Buy, CarSauce Sell, we're relaunching that very soon, so stay tuned. We have a bunch of different services which save you guys money and we charge the dealers. So everyone wins. We win, you win, the dealer loses, but who cares?
Also, more on that later. We've got empty desks down there.
There are quite a few of them. This is my desk. So I'm up here. This is where I stand every morning in my power pose like this.
Just like perched.
Yeah, looking. All right.
Matt, it says staff only up here. What are you doing here?
Exactly. This is where the big boss den fight live. My little area as well, nothing too exciting. I do have to shout out this though. As part of this, like I said, it's been tens of thousands of dollars to set this up, but we did have a little bit of help, and that was from Gigabyte, because they have actually provided us with monitors. So this is my current setup. I've got a couple of Gigabyte monitors. This is the big, bad, sexy boy though, because honestly, it just makes life so much easier. So this is the Gigabyte MO32U24. It is a premium editing and gaming monitor. It's a 31.5 inch 4K QD OLED panel. It's got really, really good image quality. More importantly though, it's actually quite affordable for what is a very premium monitor. At the moment, it retails for like 1,499 Australian dollars, but you can get them on sale if you want to, and you're just getting such a fantastic display. I use this for my color grading, for video editing as well when I am doing that. And it's got some really cool features like a 240 hertz refresh rate, a 0.03 millisecond response time. It's also got Obsidian Shield coating, so that improves perceived blacks, particularly in brighter rooms, and offers better scratch resistance if you ever do scratch your monitor. Plus, really important for us is it's got power delivery as well. Even though this Mac actually requires even more power, it still has power delivery, and you can just plug it in through a lightning cable. That was one of the requirements we had. So again, massive shout out to Gigabyte for providing this monitor and other ones, which we'll talk about a little bit later.
Also, not to mention, the setting up process was super easy. It was like a two-step process.
So easy. We managed to get all the monitors in the back of a Honda HR-V as well, which blew our
It was
minds.
like 8 monitors, not to mention, have a look at the time lapse of us setting them up.
Yeah, genuinely awesome. So again, thank you very much, and I'll leave a link below for that. But yes, this is the setup, 3 monitors. I've got to say, I'm getting a little bit creeped out by Xpeng. Okay?
What's going on here, Matt? You've got your Vitruvian X-Men. Or Xpeng.
Xpeng, X-Men. Yeah, a little bit creepy. Oh, and shout out to me as well, because yep, I did get the golden double.
Wow.
Wow, that's actually extremely unlikely, I've heard.
That was $10 of extremely wasted money, and it stinks, so I don't recommend you buying it.
Willie's bored. Let's continue.
Willie's area and Willie's desk up here. So he's also one of the bosses, I guess. He never lies in this.
He was technically our 3rd FTE.
That's true. That's true. That's very true. Jacob clearly gets a better setup, because we are still waiting on some things. Like he's got his modesty panel, so I don't, look up his legs every time.
I do wear a skirt to work.
And then look at me. Look at me. I've sacrificed.
You're exposed.
My privilege and given it to Jacob. He's got essentially the same setup, except another creepy mouse pad. Creating a new species.
Don't mind us. We're just creating a new species.
Jacob's also a motorbike rider.
Yeah.
But we'll
You don't approve of that.
We'll see how long that lasts for, quite literally. Check out this. This is the studio. One of the big requirements here was to make it feel like my old studio back in my home. And so set this up to be even better now. We have the classic ladder frame. We've got a bunch of different stuff like, check this out.
Oh, dude, I love these Magma models. Look at that
so
shooting
beautiful.
brake. Oh my God.
I want one. I want one so bad. We even have a Mazda up here. Mazda? Just because it's a cool car.
The only cool car you make nowadays.
And check this out. I love this. This is our little setup, little 100,000 subscribers, and we've already filmed the video over here, and we've also filmed the video over here. So this is really important for TechSauce. As you guys know, we also have TechSauce where we do tech reviews because we also love tech, as you could probably tell. And this is our new TechSauce little area. Or maybe we'll film other things here, but it's just awesome that we can have a little set with this sound paneling back here that we kind of need more of, to be honest, because this is a very echoey chamber, and we can sit here and do our talking heads. How cool is that?
You look like a talking head. Very
And
nice.
product unboxing. Let's check out the rest of this building.
There's so much to cover.
I love this, you know? Not
It
intentional,
is a really cool layout.
but very cool. Then we go down the stairs and we meet employee number one. Doesn't mean number one employee,
Frankly,
okay?
employee of the month.
Yeah,
already.
that's a one term.
Yeah.
This is James. James started recently.
Hello, James.
He's our video editor and videographer. And James, I'm going to
fellow
ask you
dog
one
lover.
question. What do you love about CarSauce?
Everything.
Well,
That was the correct answer.
That's the correct answer. You know what? You're hired. This is our little storage area. We're gonna have to blur a little bit on the sides here because we have some embargoed products that you're not allowed to see, but
It's also where James works when he's not performing.
yeah, exactly right.
Obviously a joke.
Stay tuned, James, stay tuned. Check this out. We have frosting on this glass. This didn't come frosted, and I'm glad it's frosted now because this was like the old boss's room or something. It's a little room, but it's our little meeting room, and it's cool because we have a TV. Oh, is that CarSauce?
Great video, by the way. Go watch it.
This is a fantastic quality TV with a little pointer.
Yeah, not sponsored by LG, by the way.
No, not sponsored by LG. LG give us money.
Also, what do you think about two-tone sound paneling?
all right. So let me ask you a question. When you go out onto Amazon and you purchase yourself white sound deadening from the same supplier, and you see once you've installed it that it's actually two separate colors, do you think maybe they should improve their quality control?
Potentially.
Potentially. Anyway, it does kind of work. But,
It looks artistic.
certainly looks, there's some form of istic in there. And then we have out here, which are the rest of our desks. So we have a total of 6 desks down here. Only one has been filled.
Which, by the way, we should mention as well, James is using one of the Gigabyte OLED panels as well because the color
is.
accuracy is fantastic.
So we got 3 of those, but unfortunately the budget couldn't quite stretch to getting 8 of them. So we do have this other monitor, which to be fair is way more appropriate for the other jobs that we have here, which we'll talk about in just a second. But as you can see, the requirement was we need just a single plug-in, right? It needs to have USB-C and it needs to have power delivery. So it is doing that. You can see it's just one plug and it goes straight in. So this is the Gigabyte M27 Q2 QD, pretty much just a high performance everyday monitor. It's a 27-inch Quad HD quantum dot IPS display, but it has really good color accuracy for an IPS display, 99% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, with 1.07 billion colors, a 200 hertz refresh rate, and it's overclockable, by the way, to 210 hertz.
But I don't think too much gaming is going to be done down here.
I kind of hope not, you know? But $339, so super
That is
duper affordable.
insanely affordable. I remember when like 144 hertz monitors were like the best you could get.
$1,000 plus.
It's a long time past that.
Yeah, so yeah, fantastic. So really good to see. And then we come to a more important part, of course, it's the dining area. So we
Wow.
have a little, what would you even call this, bench top?
The break bread station.
Yeah, this is where we break bread. Willie's food and drink bowl, which is really important. Don't mind all the dishes.
They're clean, trust me.
Ish. They'll be more clean in just a second. And then of course we have the most important part, the coffee station.
Which actually hasn't been used
Yet
at
to
all.
be used. There's a
And
great
we've been
cafe.
in for like 2.5 weeks and we keep going to the cafe.
It's a really good cafe. They remember our name and they even give us our order before we pay for it. So there you go. They know us. Fridge. Currently
Moving on.
only utilized by James. And this is really cool. The desks go up to here. And that thankfully stops right before the dunny. The all-important dunny. It's a great dunny. It's a humble dunny, but the dunny works.
And it gets used.
Might need a bit more soundproofing. But otherwise, that's it. That is the office. Like I said, guys, we wouldn't be able to do this without you. So thank you so much. The fact that we have expanded out, the fact that we have all this place now to hire more people is just awesome. Before we were just working remotely, and now we have a physical location. We even have a James. And
How good is that?
Soon there'll be more. There'll be more people joining because We are relaunching CarSauce Sell. We heard your feedback, and really we want to do it so much better. So you guys are going to be mind blown when you see what CarSauce Sell turns into, and we'll have someone starting very, very soon. CarSauce Buy is still the best place if you want to buy any new car, because we charge the dealers, we go out there, we fight on your behalf to get you the best price possible, and we don't charge you a cent.
And honestly, it's also something that we're constantly working on and improving in the background. So
you have no idea, all right? You have no idea.
that's what we use the office for, really.
So let us know what you guys think about the office. Again, please, by invite only. Please don't just rock up here. We really do appreciate your support, so thank you very much, and heaps more content to come. So ciao for now.
Bye-bye.